morning, guys. Today we're in Anthracite. Gonna be doing some wheeling here in PA. Today we're rolling very light. We got my buddy Asher. He has the FJ Cruiser right over there, and my buddy Shazam on the Hummer. So we're actually at the campsite here, and this is the dead middle of the terrain park. Alright, gents, this is the first green trail for the day. Let's go! Go to driver. Cut driver tight, tight. All right, straighten out. You got clearance. You got clearance. Now driver, driver. There you go, straighten out. Big one on the back left. All right, that's it. Go driver. A little bit. Right there, right there. There you go. That's it. Yep, you're dropping. That's good. There you go. All right, driver. Hard. Yep. Stop. Slowly, slowly. A little bit more. Yep, yep. There you go. Passenger, passenger. You're gonna climb that rock. You're gonna climb that rock. Passenger. Yep. Straight, straighten out. There you go, that's it. You're already clear, you're good. Driver, driver. See, that was a cakewalk, dude.
Big cakewalk. I didn't tell anything.
A bit more. Yep. Now straight, straight. There you go. Just come down straight, slight driver, a little bit on the driver. Yep. Keep coming towards me. Straight, straighten out, just straighten out. Keep coming. Driver. Keep driving. Straight, straight. Drive a little bit. There you go. Keep coming. You're gonna drop. There you go. Passenger. Passenger, you're gonna climb another one. You're climbing it. You're climbing it. You're climbing it. There you go. Very nice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Straight. How you guys feel?
My hitting green.
Butt clencher?
No, well, sort of.
I really love this overhead Molle panel, guys. This is where I've mounted the camera while I was vlogging, and then I have a few other ball mounts here. So I'm very happy with how this thing is performing. This is my folding Ray-Bans, and it's really nice how I can quickly hold all my gear, and this hat has surprisingly stayed on the whole time. So I think this was definitely one of my better ideas. So if you want one, make sure you check out my store, store.caveflow-crib.com. There you go, Asher. There you go, Shazam. So you got this. Nice, dude. Man, look at that view, guys. This is definitely an adventure. I'm not gonna lie. Today was a lot of fun, and it's only 12:30. It definitely can't beat this.
But you know,
Go that way. Stop. Now go. Go away. Go away. Go away. That's your real one-liner. Got him. I'll take that. Okay, I'll go. Keep going straight. How's my front look?
No, you're clear front.
So I'll just go straight.
Just go straight, you'll be fine. You're turning left right now.
Okay. Here we go. All right, blind climb into a blind drop. All right, I'm high centered, boys. Give me a second. Give me some room, Asher. All right, I think I should have taken that at a bit of an angle. Don't move yet. Don't move yet, Carl. Now move. Go, Carl, go. You're off it. You're off. Watch your mirror, watch your mirror, watch your mirror. Driver, 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 driver. Go ahead. Straight, straight, straight. Perfect.
there we go.
Don't do that.
That's good.
Go ahead.
You're balancing. Nice. There it is. Don't get stuck.
He says you don't get stuck. Passenger. Driver. That's it. You're over it. There you go. Gun it. Gun it. Gun it forward. There you go. Woo!
I can't tell if he has a silver truck or a brown truck.
That actually wasn't too bad, guys. That probably looked a little bit harder on camera. Yeah, just go straight. Yep. Just keep going straight. That's it. That was the hard part. There you go, Mishap. So, first day, amazing time. I definitely enjoyed myself here, and I believe the guys did too. We're back at the campsite. Our time limit is until roughly 5. We got here like 410, 420. So better extra time than get stuck. So a little bit of battle scars for the day. I've been meaning to rip this thing out. So yeah, this is sorry, it's part of the fun. Bent up a little bit, not a big deal. She's definitely covered in mud. I'll have to match this side and rip this fender out. Well, fender flare out. Other than that, I mean, it's a Tacoma. It's freaking solid. All right, guys. Following day now. We're checking out at 5. So that's what's really nice about this campsite. We can wheel for a few hours in the morning. And we're off, guys. We're here on the western side of things now. So there's a better view here too. We'll see how it goes. Come to me. There you go. Passenger, passenger. Driver, straight, straight, straight. That's it. You're down. Yep. Yep, that's it. Passenger. There you go. So this is our climb for this run. It looks like it'll be easier on the right hand side, but it's a little on the steep end. Definitely doable. Passenger a little bit, passenger. Yep. Climb it, climb it. There you go. Yep. All right, passenger a little bit. There you go. Gun it. Stand by. Back up a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Stop. A little bit more. Back up. Now go passenger. Yep. See if you can climb it that way. Yep. Yep. Almost there. Straight, straight, straight. There you go. That's it. Yep. Driver a little bit. Driver. Passenger. Passenger, passenger. There you go. Yep, yep. You're good. That's it. You're over it. Oh, look at you. Driver, driver. There you go. Driver. There you go. Driver some more. There you go. Passenger, passenger. Passenger, passenger. Back up a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Passenger. There you go. Come up. That's it. Straight, straight, straight. There it is. Driver, driver. That's it. You're up it. Go up. Driver, driver, driver. Now straight, straight. There you go, Shazam. Not bad. This blue's really not that bad at all. Just gotta pick the right line. Yeah, that was nice. Wasn't too bad.
Great weekend.
Oh yeah. Definitely one hell of a weekend. Boys, thanks for coming out.
Yeah, thanks for putting it together, Kyle.
I guess that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this adventure with us. Until next time, peace.